Hey, this is Daniel and welcome back to another quick update video on my modeling tutorial project. So first of all, let me show you what I showed you already last week, because many did not see the video from last week for some reason. I think I messed up the settings. Anyways, what I really wanted to show you is actually just this one sketch, in case you didn't see it yet. It's very interesting in my opinion, because I did this one here and this week another one, which, well, I'll just talk about it right now. Basically, the idea behind these two is that I capture the mood and the personality, and I think I talked already about what kind of person she is, what the story is. I worked on that as well, which is really exciting. I had some great ideas, but I don't want to share too many details right now because I'll save that for later, work on it a bit, and then when it's really good, I'll share it. And finally, I worked on these close-up views of her face, which I definitely want to improve and actually did this week, but we'll come to that later. So for this week, my focus was entirely on preparing my design for 3D modeling. And this is where things get really exciting, but let me show you the sketches first. Here's a version of the character sheet without clothes, since we need to model her this way first. I also worked on an improved version of the face, as you can see here, which again I want to continue working on, and finally another freestyle sketch to allow some creative thoughts. So these three are the sketches for this week. Now I'll show you something that I was really looking forward to. A few days ago I started 3D modeling, testing a few methods, and this is what I have so far. I recorded the process, so it might actually end up in a tutorial, but there are a few things that I'd like to let you know in advance. I'm thinking about doing most of the organic modeling with sculpting that allows us to add more detail and get a better result in general. On the other hand, it's something difficult to teach, and my approach will probably be different from explaining every single brush stroke, as it wouldn't really make much sense. In any case, I'll do my best to produce something that you can learn from, so thank you for watching as always, and I really appreciate it. See you again next week.